So, what is Berkeley casual?
I don't know if I can do that.
Berkeley casual.
I still don't know what that means. It should probably involve rain gear, at least in the winter.
If you look at the faculty, Berkeley casual is whatever you want, including offensive t-shirts and rain boots with little frogs on them.
Yeah, I don't really get the Berkeley casual thing.
It basically means that people don't dress up in suits and fancy clothes here for interviews, so you can tone it down, you can wear a nice sweater and a pair of slacks and keep everything very casual.
What makes Berkeley so special? Why would I want to come here?
You picked a name out of a hat and it was Berkeley. No. I think, to me, Berkeley was just very exciting. Like, everyone was just very excited about their science, and the questions they were asking and the way they went about it were just exciting, and that energy was everywhere in the lab, and it was in the professors when I was talking to them about their research, and they managed to do this in a very open and friendly atmosphere. So there was none of this, like, I do fantastic science, so I can treat you like a horrible human being thing going on. And so I think that's what ultimately drew me to Berkeley.
It wasn't just a selling point to suggest that people interact with the math and statistics and computer science departments. You know, one of my committee members is in the biostats department, and she's helped me with my analyses for the last 3 years.
I chose Berkeley from a bunch of the other programs I was accepted from because when I came here I found that the grad students were really happy.
Berkeley was actually the only grad school that I applied to because when I was looking at grad schools, I wasn't really sure what I was interested in studying, and I liked Berkeley's program because I could come here and then still choose from a really wide variety of research areas and professors.
The combination of the academic culture in this program had it stand out from the other two obvious choices, and besides, I'd rather live in Berkeley than Palo Alto.
Where's the best building to work?
Stanley is the nicest building, but it is up on the hill, so if you bike, just be prepared. The lights also turn off at Stanley at night, and it's really creepy, and you have to call a number to turn them right back on, which is also very creepy.
You know, the fire alarm goes off in this building all the time, everyone complains, but it also has the nicest NMR magnets like in existence in the basement.
The best food is by Barker, I would say, though.
What can I do for fun outside of lab?
I am very much a work hard, play hard kind of person, so I am very involved in activities outside the lab as much as I am inside the lab. I play a lot of sports in the area, including basketball, ultimate frisbee, I box at a local gym, and ride horses, so I'm constantly outside.
Yes, I have fun. Let's see, the Bay Area is gorgeous. There's a million things to do. I mean, we go hiking as a class, there's fantastic beer here, and there are fantastic breweries that are here that you can go visit. You can do all the crazy San Francisco ride the BART without your pants on and like race around in a bed kind of things that San Francisco is famous for. And you can do that in between experiments because, you work like 20 minutes away.
And the food, I think a highlight of Berkeley is many kinds of things that you can eat. So that's always an adventure.
There's a lot of good food here.
How big is the class?
It's going to be a big incoming class. They'll let in probably between 40 and 50 people, which rocks because you get to know a really wide group of people from all over the country.
I think we really jive as a group, even though there are like 55 of us. Like, we all get along, we all hang out, and there's no external competition. There's no trying to show off to like your other classmates. Everyone's really chill.
What are the faculty like?
The coolest thing about the faculty, especially at the retreats, is they really kind of get down with their students.
I got to see Jeremy Thorner throw lollipops at people at the B&B retreat, and then Mike Botchin throw them back at Jeremy and nearly kill the speaker.
Jeremy Thorner was like, "What's the pKa of cysteine?" And I was like, "I don't know, I can look it up. I know it's around this thing, but I don't know the exact one." And he was like, "You should know that." I'm like, "Oh, okay." 5 minutes later, asked me the pKa of another amino acid, and I'm like, still don't have them memorized from 5 minutes ago, I'm sorry. Especially during quals, he'll like stop people in bathrooms and like in the halls in the library and be like, "What's the pKa of this?" or "What's the pKa of that?" And you're just like, no. doesn't really matter.
Any last thoughts?
You're not in a factory producing work. You're an apprentice, and you're picking up more than just pipetting skills.
So there you have it. Berkeley, more than just pipetting skills.